Amazing. A lot of people told us not to bother coming for sunrise because there's so many people here, but the thing is they all crowd around the water, and there's actually quite a lot of space still around the actual temples, so it's definitely worth coming. And just remember that you're not here just for photos, you are here to see it, so just find somewhere to sit down and enjoy the sunrise. Now it's time for some breakfast. Our hotel nicely provided breakfast for us. Yeah, cool. So if you're short on time or you don't want to hit the crowd, the best thing to do is go to the sunrise at Angkor Wat, but then ask your tuk-tuk driver, if you have one, which I do recommend because there's a lot to see, ask him to do the tour backwards, because if you do it backwards it opens at 7:30. Got here and the temple was literally just open. In fact, we were 15 minutes and we had to early and we had to wait. So we have come to our first temple and we are literally the only tourists in this whole temple, and this temple complex is massive, and that's because we asked the tuk-tuk driver to do it backwards. So everyone has started at the big temple Bayan, but we started at the last temple that everyone will be going to. This is the gate. There's more steps. Should have left the bag at the bottom. I'm not videoing going down because that was pretty sketchy coming up, so I'm going to put the camera away and I'll see you at the bottom. Because we're only doing the temples in the morning, we decided to book ourselves a cookery course this afternoon. We're currently on the main street, which is called Pub Street, that's where it is, and it's got some really high recommendations from TripAdvisor. We are cooking fresh rolls, mega salad, chicken and ginger fried chicken. We're just going to go to the market and look at our ingredients for our dishes. such good fun. You all just like cook with each other. And only $15 for a 3-hour cooking lesson, and that includes your food as well.